Subscribe to House to Home. This is absolutely free. And also tap the bell icon so that you will get all notifications from our channel. Hello friends, and welcome back to your channel House to Home. This episode is on Gobi Methi Masala. I've taken one medium sized cauliflower here, washed and rinsed thoroughly in warm water, half a cup of Kasuri methi leaves, 1 tomato, finely sliced onion, finely chopped garlic and ginger. You may also use paste instead. Red chili powder as required, pepper powder, coriander powder and garam masala powder, turmeric powder, oil as required, salt as per your taste, chili sauce and soya sauce. At first, heat a pan with oil and add in the ginger and garlic. Saute until it turns brown. Now let's add in the onions and cook until it turns a little transparent. Now add in the cauliflower pieces. Along with this, add in the tomatoes also. Sprinkle required amount of salt as per your taste. Add turmeric powder and cook in a low flame. Meanwhile, take the methi leaves and add a little salt and warm water. Soak this for about 2 minutes so that the extra bitterness leaves away from the Kasuri methi leaves. Sprinkle red chili powder, coriander powder and garam masala powder to the cauliflower and cook until the raw smell of the masala leaves. Add a little water so that the cauliflowers get cooked well and turn soft. At this stage, also add in the methi leaves after draining the water completely. Cover and cook this. Now let's add in the chili sauce and soy sauce. The sauces are completely optional but adds extra flavor and taste. Mix everything well and cook until the cauliflower turns dry. Now our cauliflowers are done. Turn off the flame and add little pepper powder and toss until everything combines well. And our Gobi Methi Masala is ready now. This tastes awesome with rice or chapati. Hope you will give this recipe a try and let me know your comments and reviews in the comment section box below. Please like to the video and also subscribe to our channel and support us. Thanks for watching House to Home.